So you want a DeWALT Impact Driver chuck adapter. Now if you've come and bought an impact driver to use and you've got a load of bits and they're not fitting in the end, so it's a common problem. What you'd need is this, something like this, a chuck adapter. Now it comes and you have to set it up. It's very easy to set up. You just put the end in and screw down the end here with a screwdriver. It needs to have this hex cut out. You then just pull the collar back, place it in the end, let go, and there you go. Your impact driver has now added a chuck adapter. You can enter any size drill bits here at the end, just how you would on a drill. So hopefully you found this video useful. I will leave some links to some chuck adapters in the description below if you want to check them out. So that's a DeWALT Impact Driver chuck adapter. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.